as you know, for this class, the goal was set for everyone, which is you have to introduce yourself in Hindi. Now, again, just like the way you introduce yourself, you should be able to introduce your family members as well. So I'm going to start with some of the advanced ones first so that you don't have the template. You can just do it freestyle the way you prepared. And for those of you who are relatively new, you can use the template that I shared with you. I think the great thing is you spoke with a lot of poise, like slowly, which is a very good skill, which like a good example for everyone else also. Like when you speak, so even when you're speaking, it's okay to go slow because as on the other side, people are not expecting you to speak fast. Right, so we'll keep going. So, and again, like if anyone is struggling, you can use this template also to kind of like introduce your family members. The next one I have is like, where they are from. So you may have, as people were introducing themselves, they were using some post position to say or to talk about where they are from or their family members are from, right? So you can use this template to talk about from, right? So India say is from India, USA is from the USA, Spain say is from Spain, so and so, right? I mean, so you can use that as an example. Germany say, Puerto Rico say, Pennsylvania says. So as you saw, some of the Hindi speakers saying that, right? So, so you can really use the same template, right? मेरा भाई पेंसिल्वेनिया से है, right? और मेरे पेरेंट्स ग्रीस से हैं, right? Um, Similarly, you can use another post position which is in, may, right? So right now where you are basically, or you are in the train or in the plane, okay, or in a particular location, right? You can use in as well, right? So मैं अभी सिडनी में हूँ और मैं अभी सैन फ्रांसिस्को में हूँ, right? I'm in San Francisco, right? और मैं अभी ट्रेन स्टेशन पे हूँ, right? I mean, so that's another one pay, but you can use the may post position also for that. Yeah. Um, Now, not to forget, like last week, we prepared the daily routine, right? So while we're using simple sentences, you can talk about just like the way you were talking about your daily routine, you can talk about the daily routine of your friends or family members as well, right? Yeah. So the question is, मेरा एक भाई है. This is simple, right? I have a brother. That's correct. Yes, मेरा एक भाई डॉक्टर है. That's right. One of my brother is a doctor, okay, and mera ek bhai. That's right. So this is more of a possession, like just like you will not say mere paas ek bhai hai. Like for objects, you will say mere paas ek laptop hai or mere
Okay.
paas ek camera hai. But for family relationship, you will say mera ek bhai hai, okay, और मेरी एक sister है और मेरा एक बेटा है और मेरी एक बेटी है. Possession, that is correct, but like possession, it can be expressed in multiple ways.
Okay.
For family relationship, you will say it this way,
Yeah.
but for objects, you will say ke paas,
Okay.
mere paas. That's right, right? Mere paas, uske paas. You know, even for house, you will say mera ek ghar hai. You will not say mere paas ek ghar hai.
Oh
I
wow.
mean, even
Okay.
though people can say mere
Mhm.
paas ek ghar hai, right? But generally they end up saying मेरा एक घर है, right?